In this part of our training, I want to tell you how to export from software to other softwares. I go to level 1. We have to make our spaces before starting this. In this training lesson, you can do it on your linked or not linked file. And it's just necessary to do your spacings before this. For example, we haven't the names of our rooms. We separate our spaces, but we haven't our spaces here. We have to place our spaces from analyze space tag like this here. For example, if we didn't define our spaces in any project, we can use the tag room button. And it's important to know that architecture engineer must define these in the architectural file. And here, because we define this, we use them. Here and here, modify. Exact this for level 2. I place spaces like this. Here, 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 and here, modify. Now you can change the color of your tags, for example, lighter or darker than. I select all, filter. There's two methods. First one, space tags, okay. All the spaces are selected now. This is very usual and common tool. Enter space tags, select space tags, just space tags, okay? From the view panel, override by elements, half done, okay. And I will pin them all. And I can deactivate the pinned elements. Select pin elements from here. If I activate this, you can just select the pin file. But if you deactivate them, it is impossible to select them. Second method, I use it for level 2 from the View tab. Visibility graphics tool, annotation categories. I try to find the space tags and check it. Okay. It will show very in lighter color. It is better to do this for non-HVAC systems or disciplines, and you can do this from the visibility graphic override. You can check half tone to do this in another way. I do this for level 1, 2. 316, I try to equalize our tolerances. This tolerance is exactly the same as the architecture file. Another thing to do, you can put your spaces with the area. Select all instance in all view. All are selected now. Space tag with the area. Now you can see the area. I do this for the level 2 visible view. From the properties, space tag with area. I try to close all the additional windows. For transmitted carrier software, go to the 3D view like this. From the file menu, export GB XML. Use room space volumes. OK. Next. Save. Until my file saved, I open carrier software like this. Project, import XML, and I select the file and open it. My file is loaded now. No. All the spaces are imported to this software now. I check. All spaces names are exactly the same as Revit software. For example, room HAL 1, you can see it here. The area is estimately exact, is square feet. You can see the units, walls, windows, and doors. As you can see, the quantity of windows, we have 2 windows here, and area of the rooms, area of walls. As you can see, east wall or south wall. As you can see here, all these areas are calculated without windows.